What is up, guys? And today we're gonna be unboxing Sonic Colors Ultimate. As you can see, this is kind of rough. I don't know why it is, but let's get right into this. I already took that wrapper thingy off, but yeah, here we go. Okay, let's look inside. Oh, there's the baby Sonic keychain. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'll let you guys see my face. Okay. Got this out. Get that keychain out. Like, flop it out. Oh, there he is. I think the other part of it, like the keychain part, I flipped out. Okay. Got the game. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, there kind of says Sonic, but it's totally backwards. Well, for my camera view. And the cartridge. Oh, my brother wrote. Because at the time I'm doing this, my brother actually fell asleep, but it still takes time. And then there's a code you can redeem. I can't see it good enough, but you can pause the video and try and figure out what the numbers are, because I cannot see them. It's backwards. But that's going to be it for today, but I have one, but I'm going to do a bonus clip real quick. I'm going to be putting this into my Switch. It should start installing. Oh, my Switch just turned on. Don't expect that. There it is. There it is. Okay, there you have it, guys. Sonic Colors Ultimate unboxing.